In 1896, the U.S. Supreme Court heard a case, Plessy versus Ferguson, dealing with the 14th Amendment. Homer Plessy was arrested for violating a law that forced African Americans to ride in separate train cars. He claimed that the laws violated the 14th Amendment to the Constitution that said that all citizens were to receive equal protection under the law. The state argued that Plessy and other blacks did receive equal treatment, just separate. The court ruled that the 14th Amendment did not say that blacks had the right to the same facilities, just equal facilities. By ruling this way, the court created the doctrine of separate but equal. The court overturned this doctrine in 1954 in the case of Brown versus Board of Education.